The Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect.
ये हमला सिर्फ निहत्थे पर्यटकों पर नहीं हुआ है। देश के दुश्मनों ने भारत की आत्मा पर हमला करने का दुस्साहस किया है।
The integrated checkpost Atari will be closed with immediate effect.
जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी।
Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under the SARC visa exemption scheme visas.
अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है।
The Defence, Military, Naval and Air advisors in the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi are declared persona non grata. They have a week to leave India.
140 करोड़ भारतीयों की इच्छा शक्ति अब आतंकी आकाओं की कमर तोड़ कर रहेगी।
Support staff of the service advisors will also be withdrawn from both high commissions.
Pakistan on April 24 suspended the 1972 Simla Agreement, blocked its airspace for Indian Airlines, closed the Wagah border crossing and paused all trade with India. Pakistan also said any attempt to divert water meant for Pakistan under the Indus Water Treaty will be considered an act of war. The announcements were made after a meeting chaired by Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif. Shehbaz Sharif's actions came as Pakistan responded to India's move to suspend the Indus Water Treaty and downgrade diplomatic ties after the Pahalgam terror attack. Pakistan shall exercise the right to hold all bilateral agreement with India, including but not limited to the Simla Agreement, in abeyance, till India desists from its manifested behavior of fomenting terrorism inside Pakistan, transnational killings and non-adherence to international law and UN resolution on Kashmir, the Pakistan PMO statement said. Pakistan shall close down the Wagah border post with immediate effect. All cross-border transit from India through this route shall be suspended without exception. The NSC decided giving an April 30 deadline to those who crossed with valid endorsement to return through the route, Pakistan PMO statement said. India on April 23 downgraded diplomatic ties with Pakistan and announced the suspension of over 6-decade-old Indus Water Treaty. India also said it's shutting down the Atari land transit post in view of the cross-border links to the Pahalgam terror attack. Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri announced the decision, saying the overall strength of the Pakistani and Indian High Commission will be brought down to 30 from present 55. Misri said the cross-border linkages to Pahalgam attack were brought out in the briefing to the CCS, following which it decided to take the measures against Pakistan.
The Cabinet Committee on Security met this evening under the chairmanship of the Honorable Prime Minister. The CCS was briefed in detail on the terrorist attack on 22nd April 2025 in Pahalgam in Jammu and Kashmir, in which 25 Indians and 1 Nepali citizen were killed. A number of others sustained injuries. The CCS condemned the attack in the strongest terms and expressed its deepest condolences to the families of the victims and hoped for the early recovery of the injured. Strong expressions of support and solidarity have been received from many governments around the world, which have unequivocally condemned this terror attack. The CCS recorded its appreciation for such sentiments, which reflect zero tolerance for terrorism. In the briefing to the CCS, the cross-border linkages of the terrorist attack were brought out. It was noted that this attack came in the wake of the successful holding of the elections in the Union Territory and its steady progress towards economic growth and development. Recognizing the seriousness of this terrorist attack, the CCS decided upon the following measures. 1. The Indus Waters Treaty of 1960 will be held in abeyance with immediate effect until Pakistan credibly and irrevocably abjures its support for cross-border terrorism. 2. The integrated checkpost Atari will be closed with immediate effect. Those who have crossed over with valid endorsements may return through that route before 1 May 2025. 3. Pakistani nationals will not be permitted to travel to India under the SAARC visa exemption scheme visas. Any SVAS visas issued in the past to Pakistani nationals are deemed cancelled. Any Pakistani national currently in India under SVES visa has 48 hours to leave India. 4. The Defence, Military, Naval and Air Advisors in the Pakistani High Commission in New Delhi are declared persona non grata. They have a week to leave India. India will be withdrawing its own Defence, Navy and Air Advisors from the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. These posts in the respective High Commissions are deemed annulled. 5 support staff of the service advisors will also be withdrawn from both High Commissions. 5. The overall strength of the High Commissions will be brought down to 30 from the present 55 through further reductions to be effected by 1st May 2025. The CCS reviewed the overall security situation and directed all forces to maintain high vigil. It resolved that the perpetrators of this attack will be brought to justice and their sponsors held to account. As with the recent extradition of Tahabur Rana, India will be unrelenting in the pursuit of those who have committed acts of terror or conspired to make them possible.
Meanwhile, PM Modi issued a stern warning to Pakistan, saying India will identify, track and punish every terrorist and their backers, and our spirit will never be broken. The entire country is in pain because of the ruthless manner in which terrorists killed innocent tourists in Pahalgam, PM Modi said in Bihar's Madhubani.
जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में आतंकियों ने मासूम देशवासियों को जिस बेरहमी से मारा है, उससे पूरा देश व्यथित है। कोटि कोटि देशवासी दुखी हैं। सभी पीड़ित परिवारों के इस दुख में पूरा देश उनके साथ खड़ा है। जिन परिवारजनों का अभी इलाज चल रहा है, वे जल्द स्वस्थ हो, इसके लिए भी सरकार हर प्रयास कर रही है। साथियों, इस आतंकी हमले में किसी ने अपना बेटा खोया, किसी ने अपना भाई खोया, किसी ने अपना जीवन साथी खोया है। उनमें से कोई बांग्ला बोलता था, कोई कन्नड़ा बोलता था, कोई मराठी था, कोई ओडिया था, कोई गुजराती था, कोई यहां बिहार का लाल था। आज उन सभी की मृत्यु पर करगिल से कन्याकुमारी तक हमारा दुख एक जैसा है, हमारा आक्रोश एक जैसा है। ये हमला सिर्फ निहत्थे पर्यटकों पर नहीं हुआ है, देश के दुश्मनों ने भारत की आत्मा पर हमला करने का दुस्साहस किया है। मैं बहुत स्पष्ट शब्दों में कहना चाहता हूं, जिन्होंने ये हमला किया है, उन आतंकियों को और इस हमले की साजिश रचने वालों को उनकी कल्पना से भी बड़ी सजा मिलेगी, सजा मिलकर के रहेगी। अब आतंकियों की बची खुची जमीन को भी मिट्टी में मिलाने का समय आ गया है। एक सौ चालीस करोड़ भारतीयों की इच्छा शक्ति अब आतंकी आकाओं की कमर तोड़ कर रहेगी।